Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Eco Laundry Sheets is probably one of the most innovative and eco-conscious solutions to hit the laundry room in years, offering a powerful clean without the plastic waste and harsh chemicals often found in traditional detergents. These ultra-concentrated, dissolvable sheets are designed to simplify your laundry routine while significantly reducing your environmental footprint, making them an increasingly popular choice for consumers looking to make more sustainable decisions in their everyday lives. Get ready to discover how these compact wonders can transform your wash day and contribute to a healthier planet, one load at a time. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fragrance-Free. Introducing a revolutionary way to do laundry. These sheets offer powerful cleaning without harsh chemicals, making laundry day simpler and greener. Designed for those with sensitive skin, our fragrance-free formula cleans effectively while being incredibly gentle. Enjoy a fresh, clean scent without any added perfumes. Say goodbye to plastic jugs and messy liquids. These eco-friendly sheets are completely liquidless, reducing waste and your carbon footprint with every wash. Don't let tough stains and odors win. Our innovative formula penetrates deep to lift away dirt and grime, leaving your clothes looking and smelling their best. Perfect for life on the go. Their compact, lightweight design makes them ideal for travel, camping, or small living spaces. Just toss a sheet in and go. Whether you prefer hot or cold cycles, these sheets dissolve completely and work effectively. Get a brilliant clean no matter your washing preference. What we like. This option is completely fragrance-free, making it ideal for those with sensitive skin or allergies. It effectively tackles tough stains and odors without any harsh chemicals. If you have delicate skin or prefer a scent-free laundry experience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. These sheets dissolve completely and leave no residue. They are very effective at cleaning clothes, even in cold water. The packaging is compact and eco-friendly, reducing plastic waste. Number 4. Poesie Laundry Detergent Sheets Fresh Scent. Tired of bulky plastic jugs? Discover a cleaner, greener way to do laundry with our innovative detergent sheets. They offer powerful cleaning without the waste. Enjoy a refreshing scent with every wash. These sheets deliver a deep clean, tackling tough stains while being gentle on your fabrics. Perfect for life on the go. Their compact, plastic-free design makes them ideal for dorm rooms, travel, camping, and even hand washing. Designed with your skin in mind. Our hypoallergenic formula is gentle enough for sensitive skin, ensuring a comfortable clean for everyone. Say goodbye to messy spills and wasteful packaging. These liquid-less sheets provide a convenient, eco-friendly laundry solution. Get up to 160 loads of powerful cleaning from this single pack. Experience long-lasting freshness and a spotless finish, wash after wash. What we like. Enjoy a fresh scent with this hypoallergenic formula, offering a generous 160 loads per pack. Its compact and liquid-less design makes it perfect for home, dorms, travel, and even hand washing. If you're looking for a long-lasting, convenient, and pleasantly scented detergent solution for various situations, this is a great pick. What people say. The sheets dissolve completely in the wash. They leave clothes smelling fresh and clean. The packaging is compact and eco-friendly. Number 3. Sudstainables Laundry Detergent Sheets. Introducing Sudstainables Laundry Detergent Sheets, the revolutionary way to do your laundry. Experience a powerful clean with ultimate convenience. These dissolvable sheets offer a compact alternative to traditional liquid and powder detergents. They dissolve completely in water, leaving no residue behind. Despite their compact size, they provide a powerful clean for up to 200 loads. Get rid of tough stains and odors with every wash. Perfect for on the go, their travel-friendly design makes laundry simple wherever you are. No more bulky bottles or messy powders. Enjoy the refreshing scent of fresh linen with every load. It leaves your clothes smelling clean and revitalized. Make a sustainable choice for your home and the planet. Our sheets reduce plastic waste and are designed for eco-conscious living. What we like. With an impressive 200 loads, these dissolvable sheets offer a compact and convenient alternative to traditional detergents. They are designed to work seamlessly with washing machines, eliminating the need for bulky plastic jugs. If you want to maximize your detergent supply and minimize storage space, this is the ultimate solution for you. What people say. These laundry sheets dissolve completely in the wash, leaving no residue behind. The sheets are pre-portioned, making it easy to use the correct amount for each load. They are a great space-saving alternative to bulky liquid detergents. Number 2. Kind Laundry Detergent Sheets. Introducing Kind Laundry Detergent Sheets, a revolutionary way to do your laundry. Experience powerful cleaning without harsh chemicals. Our formula is fragrance-free and EWG verified, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Enjoy a clean wash without any irritation. Say goodbye to residue left behind after washing. These sheets dissolve completely, leaving your clothes perfectly clean and fresh. Make an eco-conscious choice with our plastic-free, liquidless laundry solution. It's a sustainable way to care for your clothes and the planet. Lightweight and compact, they are ideal for travel, dorm rooms, or any small living space. Laundry day just got easier. Achieve a powerful clean with a non-toxic formula you can trust. It's the simple, effective, and natural choice for your laundry needs. What we like. This EWG verified option is fragrance-free and leaves absolutely no residue after washing, ensuring a clean and gentle clean. Its eco-friendly, plastic-free design is perfect for sensitive skin and travel. If you prioritize a non-toxic formula and a residue-free finish for your laundry, especially if you have sensitive skin, this is the one to consider. What people say. These sheets dissolve completely in the wash, leaving no residue. The packaging is compact and eco-friendly, taking up minimal space. They are pre-measured, so there's no need to worry about using too much or too little detergent. Number 1. Kind Laundry Detergent Sheets Ocean Breeze. Tired of messy liquid detergents and bulky plastic jugs? Discover a revolutionary way to do laundry with our innovative detergent sheets. Our formula is EWG verified, ensuring it's safe and gentle, even for sensitive skin. You can trust that it's non-toxic and free from harsh chemicals. Experience a powerful clean that leaves clothes fresh and bright. Best of all, our sheets dissolve completely, leaving absolutely no residue behind after the wash. Make a positive impact on the planet with our eco-friendly, plastic-free solution. Each sheet is liquidless and biodegradable, reducing waste and your carbon footprint. Perfect for busy households, small spaces, and travel. These compact sheets are incredibly convenient for dorm rooms, apartments, and on-the-go needs. Infused with a refreshing ocean breeze scent, our detergent sheets leave your laundry smelling wonderfully clean. It's a subtle, pleasant aroma that revitalizes your fabrics. What we like. Experience a refreshing ocean breeze scent with this EWG verified detergent that leaves no residue. It's a non-toxic, plastic-free solution suitable for sensitive skin and travel. If you enjoy a light, pleasant scent and want a verified safe and effective laundry product for your sensitive skin and on-the-go needs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The sheets dissolve completely in the wash. They leave no residue on clothes or in the machine. The packaging is compact and eco-friendly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.